Hello and welcome to my Eat Like a Viking YouTube channel. My name is Craig. I'm better known online as the Saxon Forager. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own butter. Now while you can use a churn to make large quantities of butter, a better and quicker method of making small batches is to use a whisk like one of these. So this one here is made from a bundle of willow sticks with the bark removed, and this one is known as a tavar, which means mixing, and it's actually made from the top of my Christmas tree. So, put your double cream into a bowl and mix it vigorously using your whisk or hand for around 5 to 10 minutes. In a modern kitchen, a jam jar also works really well and is a little less messy. Just be sure to stick the lid on nice and tight before shaking. After a while the cream will thicken, go grainy, and separate into butter and buttermilk. Strain the butter through a cheesecloth to remove the buttermilk. And remember, don't throw away the buttermilk, as you can use it for making cakes or biscuits. You can use it in making cheese, as you'll see in one of my other videos, or alternatively, you can drink it. Skål!